Hi, I'm Stephanie Delfonso with another simple way to calm stress and anxiety, one of 35 techniques in my book, Goodbye Anxiety, Hello Freedom. Well, today we are going way back, all the way back to the very beginning of this whole journey for me. So, we're traveling back to the mid 90s. And if you're new around here, maybe you don't know, my first career was as a celebrity radio DJ. It was so fun. So, my last job was doing the morning show, which meant I was getting up in the middle of the night, like 3 o'clock in the morning. I had two small kids, a husband who traveled, and snap, I found myself at my kitchen counter smashing a bag of Cheetos because I wasn't sleeping. I couldn't function. I didn't know how to function. So I went to the doctor and got medication, and it worked, but only for a short time. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I have to figure this out on my own. And fortuitously, hello, think about where we were with technology back then. I was on a phone that had a cord, a little curly cute cord. It was bolted to the wall. Now, this was long before we had our cell phones. So this was cutting edge technology. And here I'm on this teleclass, and this Stanford trained engineer, Gary Craig, comes on and he's teaching this new process called emotional freedom techniques. You may know it as EFT or tapping now. And basically, it's like acupuncture without needles. You can self apply this and get incredible results. Now, I had nothing to lose except for my stress and anxiety and lack of sleep. So I was like, all right, I'll give it a try. It changed my life. It literally gave me this whole new second career, and it helped me learn how to sleep well again, how to calm my stress and anxiety. So I'll invite you to tap along with me today. I want you to think about a situation or event that happened recently where it caused you to get stressed or anxious or frustrated. We all have those, right? And we have a tendency to bring that along with us. So I want you to give it a rating from 1 to 10. One is only a teeny tiny bit, one is as big as it gets, but not as you felt it the other day, as you feel it now. So give it a number, tuck that in the back of your head, and tap along with me. Just imitate what I'm doing and repeat what I say. All right. So you're going to gently, very gently tap with two fingers in the middle of your eyebrows. And as you're gently tapping there, just say, letting it go. That's right. Now move to the outside of your eye on the bone. Again, continuous gentle tapping. We don't want to give ourselves bruises. And say, letting it go. Uh huh. In the middle, under your eye, on top of your cheekbone, letting it go. Mm-hmm. Under your nose, on your lip, letting it go. Mm-hmm. On your chin, letting it go. You're going to use your whole hand on your collarbone here, letting it go. And now grab your other wrist, take a breath in, and on the out breath, say peace. Peace. And now check in. And what number is that stress or tension or frustration now? It's amazing, isn't it? Now, for some of you, it went to a 0. For others, maybe you went from an 8 to a 4, 3. Maybe you went a little bit lower. But now you get to make a choice. If it's gone, like, all right, that's great. If it's at a 1 or a 2, maybe you want to leave it there. But if it's more than that, simply do another round. Just go back and start tapping again, saying this time, letting more of this go or letting all of it go and all the way through. And then notice how you feel. Now, I'm telling you, this changed my life. But I don't think that EFT, from my experience in my life and with clients for almost 20 years, it is not the thing that helps with the really deep seated issues that we may have to explore. So, for that, I would ask you to look for a trusted professional to help you with that. But for the smaller things, for the day to day stuff, EFT tapping is absolutely fabulous. I'm Stephanie Delfonso. I'll be back next week with another technique for my book, Goodbye Anxiety, Hello Freedom.
Get all the techniques. Buy your copy of Goodbye Anxiety, Hello Freedom from Amazon now and sign up for more videos, tips, and strategies at ibringcalm.com.